Alright, got her going. Whew, I love assembling things first thing in the morning. And just order business, tea. Huh. Snail on a tree. Trying to get my water, I see. We are about to start our hike. I thought I'd give you guys a little preview of the drive-in part of the camp. We did the hike-in part. This is a nice big site. The hike we did after the tour of the campground is a separate video, which I will link to at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Everything on the left on the main road is day use only. You cannot overnight there. See, no camping beyond this point. This all used to be really pretty, like ferns and everything, but during the pandemic, when everybody was like flooding out to go camping, they were ignoring those no camping signs and they put tents up all over here and killed all the ferns. Hopefully they'll come back. But here's the swing. There are only a total of 3 car camping sites available at this campground. However, there are several day use sites that you can use. Additionally, there are 6 walk-in sites, 3 on either end of the campground. Also, you need to remember that this is a WMA, which means that it is free to camp here, but you do need to have either a hunting license, a fishing license, or a land pass to be here. Now that's what you call grocery store foot.
I'm working out.
Little post-trail workout. So my son had a plastic bottle of root beer. So I'm teaching him how to make a minnow trap. Rock, little piece of bread, little small tunnel. Might even be able to catch crawfish in there too.
You see, where are the minnows?
Oh, I see some right there. Kind of wedge it on a rock with the open part facing forward. Alright. Then we're going to leave it for a little bit.
We'll check on that later.
And, alright. It worked. We got a creek chub.
Yeah.
I don't feel like going down to the creek. Let's see how much water I can collect. filled my water bottle half full. Apparently my son is a fan of Iggy Pop. Look at him! Look at him go!
Where does Iggy Pop?